Hey my loves, welcome back. And if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. So I am back with another massive Temu haul. I will leave my Temu playlist down below. So far I only have maybe 3 videos, I believe. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a Temu playlist. Before we get into today's video, I know you guys like to ask about my eyeshadow that I wear, or like my makeup just period. The eyeshadow that I'm wearing today is from the Wilderness palette, and I started off with this green color, then I went in with this color, then I went in with this color, and then on my lid I have this color on my lid, and then I have this color in my inner tear duct, and that's just about it. I didn't go underneath. But yeah, so I just have just basically mostly the green eyeshadows on my eyes, and this is from Beauty Bay. So if anybody is wondering, and I did not do a look, I'm sorry, I'll just be in the zone and I'll be doing my makeup, but I can recreate this look for you guys. So yeah, I'll put it in my notes. And yeah, but anyways, let's get into the video because y'all ain't here for that. Okay, so let's get into it. I got a whole bunch of accessories, so I'm just gonna show you guys my accessories really quickly. So I got a skull necklace. Oh, I guess I gotta put it together myself. If you are new here, I love skulls. I like to collect them. Anything with a skull on it, I pretty much like it. So they have plenty of that stuff on the website, and it's affordable. And so this is just basically a skull necklace. So I guess I gotta put it together, but you'll get the gist of what it looks like. I really like this. This is so cute. I did pick up some earrings. I have to wear clip-on earrings, so I seen this pair of earrings, and super cute. They're kind of similar to the ones that I have on now. I love my black earrings. Y'all know I wear these all the time. So I seen these on the website. I got these clip-on skull diamond earrings. So once again, I love my skulls. Ordered these 2-pack of nails right here. Love black nails. I like the roses on here, so, and I got 2 packs. It's not too often you find a cute yellow bag. This is cute. In the summertime, this is finna hit. You not finna tell me it's not. So this is the strap. Yeah, no, that strap ain't finna, no. And then this is what the inside looks like. This is just the paper. So it's definitely roomy. I think I will order another strap off of Amazon, or see what I have in my closet. This yellow is definitely perfect. And then it has the feet at the bottom. But yeah, that is super cute. And then here's the bag. So if you had your eye on it, this is what it looks like. So the next bucket bag that I got, this one is faux leather. That one is the suede material. Oh, this is cute. I knew this bag was gonna be cute. Yeah, so I love the brown letters on here. I'm glad it's not white. I'm glad they went with brown. So and then the hardware is gold, so you can definitely wear this with a lot of stuff. So that was my first order. This is my big box. So I just got this today. I ordered a, what is this wig? It's like a U-part. Is it a U-part? You know, where you could put the whole wig on, but you leave a little bit of your leave out. I always wanted to try one of those wigs. Now this is a synthetic wig for sure. It was only $14. So the wig is in this plastic bag. It's in this plastic bag. I figured it was gonna give outre kind of vibes, you know, beauty supply store, synthetic. So I got the color 1B. All right, let's see the structure of the wig, honey. Here are the clips in here. So you get 4 clips, and then you get a comb in the back, and then you get 2 on the side. And then, okay, I was looking for the adjustable straps. You get the comb back here, and then the adjustable strap. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, got some curls in here. It smells like a wig. You know, it smells like you just took it out the box. I don't want to put it on my head just yet. What y'all do? But the curls don't. look back, you know what I mean? It's a little shiny. It's not like, it's giving me outre vibes. The curls is bouncing though. A baby powder on here, some dry shampoo. I was trying to get the link for you guys. Currently this wig is out of stock, so I can't leave the link, but they have plenty of other wigs on there. I don't know what this can be. Oh, a cup, I forgot. Okay, I ordered a tumbler that I didn't need. These are some Starbucks cup dupes. Okay, this look exactly, this is Starbucks. They be charging us an arm and a leg, and all they do is put that little woman up here. Let me go get my cup. The only difference is they got this woman up here. They trying to play us. Look at the top. Oh my God. It's the same height. This is the same cup. How much is this? $22.95. Canada, $32. That's outrageous. $32 in Canada. Here's my other one. This one is a little bit bigger. This one is, well, this cup $19.95 and this one $22. You can customize this middle part. I'm gonna do like Chanel. I'm gonna figure out a way to put like the, maybe like in rhinestones, put like the 2 C's or something. You can put your name or whatever. Like, this is cute. I don't know if this is the color that I got, but it's still cute though. I don't know where the straw is at, but this one is like, it's supposed to be a glittered cup. Oh, OMG. Okay, so this is Temu, and then this is Starbucks. I messed up this Starbucks cup because I did like diamond wrap around here, and I have yet to try to get this glue off. But anyways, this is Starbucks. I mean, this is Temu, and this is Starbucks. I actually like the Temu one better because it's more, you know, sparkly. Like I said, I don't know where the straw is at. It's probably in the bag, but like, stop. Okay, right. So I got these black nails. These are more like a gradient effect. Like, they start off black, then they kind of go in like a smoky gray kind of vibe. So I got those. I thought those would be cute. I thought I got 2 packs of those. I guess not. I got this card clip for my sunglasses. Y'all know I picked up a bunch of cute sunglasses, so this would be cute to put in my card. I used to have one, but it broke, so hopefully this one doesn't break. But yeah, I'm gonna put my sunglasses up there. So I thought it was cute and girly and sparkly. Got another tote bag. This one is black. I was not expecting this to be this big. Okay, wait. I don't think y'all understand how big it is. Put your laptop in here. You can put your laptop, you can put your iPad. You can put so much stuff in here. This is definitely like a nice carry-on bag. And then it does come with a strap. And it does have a pocket in the inside with some compartments and a zipper. This is my current tote bag that I'm wearing right now. And you can see the difference in size. So yeah, this is the little small one, or the medium sized one that I'm wearing right now, and this is the big one. All right, another bag. I finally got one that is the faux leather. So this is the faux leather one. Super cute. Let's see what the strap looks like. Ugh, okay, cool. So it goes with the purse. This is the inside. Here are the straps. Yeah, this one is the faux leather. So yes, that's cute. And they got different colors in this bag. Ooh, look at this red. Hold on. Oh my God, this red is sharp. OMG, this red. Here's the strap, and it has gold hardware, black with the little pocket. And this is the last item, you guys, the brown. Oh my God, stop. That's giving business, like, you know, I work at the office kind of vibe. is so cute. The straps are, they're thin, but you can replace the strap with your own. You could always purchase one, but I mean, they're doable, but I feel like if you want something a little bit more heavy, I recommend to maybe get, you know, find a heavy strap. These are what the faux leather bags look like, and I think they have these in large as well. So yes, so that's the last thing that I got from Temu, and that is everything in this haul. And yes, there will be another Temu haul because I check it like a newspaper, like the daily newspaper. That's how much I check the app. So I am waiting on another order, and I do have some stuff in my cart at the moment that I'm thinking about checking out. So yeah, it's bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment down below, please, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I see some new people have subscribed, and I am loving it. So I will see you guys in another video. Bye.